Morning. Going for all-time highs again. It's trying. I didn't see much of a move though. All right, let's see. What are we doing? We're above everything. London High, we're above everything right now. All we have left is this order block where we're at currently. Market's open. We're typing an order block right now. Oh, that's not order block. It's a 15 order block. Oh, my top step is lagging. Oh, come on. Today. We're gonna get a pullback.
Order submitted.
Wow, top step is down. It's not even loading. Wow, they crashed top step. That's crazy. Yeah, it's a nasty candle. Wow, top step really is down. That's crazy.
Order
Yeah, and
filled.
there's nothing loading on the charts. Wow, that's crazy. What a pullback. $70-point pullback.
Order submitted.
Good morning, thank you for calling Memorial Hospital Resources Department. My name is
Order
Nicole. How can I
canceled.
help you?
Order submitted.
$23.22 support.
Okay,
Damn,
so
but
for
this
your
going crazy.
appointment today, no authorization can be required, and you also don't have no financial responsibility, okay?
Search. What's it called?
It's not required for your exam.
Their Discord's going crazy.
No, thank you
Yeah.
for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day.
For top step. Yeah. Well, they're pissed right now. You're at all-time highs and we're down. Yo, that's crazy. Mm-hmm. No, it was never working in the first place. Yeah, why did I go long? Why? I mean, why did I go short? Let's see if we can get this fall to continue. Yeah, but I got a horrible feel. Let's see if we can get this back down to break even and cancel it. I thought we were gonna keep dropping, but nope. Here. I closed for -70, which I was green for a second, but by the time I clicked the button, it was like -70. And let's see if it drops. Oh, you got the 618. 23020. I'm glad I closed that trade. All right, back up. All right, we're back up. So, all right, I need 770 to pass this account. Oh, now they're saying that people were in positions and it should be a free reset. Watch us reverse right here and just pump up. Oh, not even all the data's loading too. That's crazy. Just up to 10 o'clock last night. Let's not trade on this account. Oh, we're gonna dump Ricky. I should have held my shorts. Is this a fakey? Let's see. We got a nice little trend line right here. We got two trend lines we broke. One broke, one we didn't. Yeah, we're gonna go take this liquidity at 23.012. Or I like your buy though. I'm so confused. Huh? It's working, but it's not loading any data past before 10 p.m. last night. So I'm kind of scared to trade on it. Oh, now we're just stuck here. That's what we're gonna do. Stuck after a big candle. It's interesting. Bro, they're dog and top
Order
step right
filled.
now. This guy just posted a picture of the blank chart with his middle finger. Yeah, this guy said minus 500. Yeah, that sucks. So apparently you can execute orders. You just can't. This guy's like, yeah, I'm on trading. You trading, you save me. This guy, I just lost 3 accounts. Yeah. Oh, you're in your loans? Oh, yeah, you are. What I say, we want to sweep that 23011.
What's up, everyone?
What up?
Not a whole lot at the open, huh? Like, we're gonna have another just slow, steady movement today.
I don't know. Top steps down.
What you said? Top step is
Yeah,
down.
yeah. Everybody loads in the accounts because the screens are blank. It's like locked up.
Yeah, they probably got
Damn.
they probably overloaded their servers, man, taking everybody's ninja away.
Probably.
That's one thing about these props. Like a prop when they use a platform like Ninja, because I looked into it, like as far as opening up a prop. And so you have options to either run it off of their servers or your servers. So there's different ways to negotiate depending on if you're going to use your own servers or not. So a lot of them are using like the Ninja servers when they're running their prop accounts, so now that's not an option for Top Step.
I'm sure they'll refund or reset people's shit, and they'll just move the starting, like before they just move the starting balances.
Coinbase is launching perpetual futures end of July. Crypto perpetual futures.
Nice little fall there. Yeah, now we're just dumping more. Surge.
Oh, you're long, huh?
He was too. Yeah, we're
Stop
getting
filled.
smoked right now.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I caught a little short earlier on that first candle, and then like 5 points, and then I just.
Hey, y'all in the building?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think I don't know. Sergio somebody got stopped out and turned off.
Surges. Yeah, he was
Yeah.
on and then just.
I hope. Oh, as long as you didn't throw your computer after you got stopped out, I was like, hey, it just went.
Oh, damn.
All right. I got back out of that trade. Surge, I took the trade you did, and then I averaged in at this low that we just had. I cut that shit perfect. Half of that candle that we just dumped on. I averaged
He's like a
in.
little 20-point little bounce.
Yeah, we took. Yeah, we went in on 61.8.
Mm. Mm.
I'm taking it slow today after yesterday. I'm taking a break after each trade.
That's smart.
Oh, I got made
Top
made
steps.
about 100 on that initial push, and then took a break. Let's see what develops.
Mm-hmm.
Top step is down, Lou.
Yeah, I see, and I
Yo,
heard
Discord going crazy right now.
some folks talking about it. So
I'm watching the Discord right now. Like, yo, people are getting banned left and right. These guys are losing accounts. They're all posting
yeah,
their screenshots of accounts lost. Like, these are like funded accounts.
that's what that's this is this was the same shit that happened with it felt like this was fast track trading.
Well,
But I don't think they're on FTT trajectory, but this ain't it. This ain't it. There's just been a lot of just bad press coming out of them for a very long time. So they're gonna have to figure some shit out. Top Step
don't reset.
and P and them.
Don't reset. It's
Nah,
just weird that
they
it
will.
happens. It
No,
just
they
happens that
will.
it happens right after, a few days after the whole
It's,
taking Ninja Trader away.
Yeah.
So
So when they
dumping
reset,
right
that's
now.
just they just do. Oh yeah. So
Yeah,
there
they'll
we
do
go.
whatever your balance was at the start of
Homeboy
today.
just said our team is aware of reports regarding issues with Top Step X charts. We are actively working with our partner to invest. With your partner, you are the partner. That is your man.
Where'd you see that at?
It's in the status updates part of Top Step. They just posted it just now
On the platform?
Yeah, I'm in. No, well, I'm in the Top Step Discord too. So I got that.
Me
alert.
too. I'm saying I don't see anything. That's why.
It's in the status update section.
Oh.
Yeah, like this is your platform now. Like what y'all talking about?
Yeah. Who's the partner?
Working with our partners. Who?
Yeah, they shouldn't have done that. Yo, that is a nasty 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
All right, we just swept London lows and Asia lows. Just a heads up. All right, now I have data loaded up until 9 a.m. yesterday. I got the big dick candle, and then that's it.
So
all right, so we just swept these lows. Let's see if we can get to a nice little inversion here. Probably not yet. I think we go a little lower, chop around here for a little bit. Yeah, bro, I had the execution. Maybe the funniest thing is the ones that are all this talking crap are the ones that don't trade with stop losses. Now we're gonna go a little lower, I think.
I hope so.
All right. Well, we closed under. Let's see what happens here because I don't have any market structure. I got a massive fair value gap is what I got. No, there we go. Just want to keep going. Yeah, that 1 minute candle that closed at 9:52, bro. Oh my god. Damn, they should just shut down Top Step until Monday. Look, people have been warned. Bad word usage. They're crazy right now. It's like, come on, guys. Everybody has their issues. They're not like it's the first time. It's happened to Trade Evade. It happened to Trade Evade a lot. Remember a few months ago? It was like every few days their platform was down. Everybody has their shit.
Ninja is still the best.
Mm. Mm. Damn, bro. 100-point drop though. Shit. That is a wild drop. We're gonna go sweep this liquidity right here at 962. I'm gonna try a short and see if I can get to this 962 level. I'll probably bottom liquidity, but whatever. Let's see if we get to this 962. Hey, let's go. That was an easy one. All right. If we're gonna have a reversal, it's gonna be here somewhere. Here's your sweep. Let's see if we got a little inverse. Oh, I love these setups like this. No, don't push yet. Don't push yet. Go back down. Go back down. Anything over 985. I'll close above 985. You can start looking for logs. Ooh. Ooh. They said, give me that. There's
Yes, hi, good morning. My name is Karen and I'm calling from Memorial Hospital Services Department. I was trying to see if I could confirm a patient diagnosis code for an upcoming.
A little bit more. Boom. There we go. Profit hit. All right, that was a good one right there. Made another 2 something on that move.
Make sure if it passes with a
That
Medicare
939
guidance.
is spread.
Is Z as in zebra 8739?
You got a few more points.
Okay, so that diagnosis code does not pass with the Medicare guidelines. I could email you passing codes.
I don't like the hat.
This was not a good one.
What's this you're looking at right here?
Hey Sergio, what moving average is that at the bottom? That's 200 at the bottom. Okay.
Mosquito.
Yeah. All right, 300 so far. You see that 1 hour fair value gap, Sergio? You see the 1 hour fair value we just tapped? That's what that was my target. We might drop a little bit more and fill this. We didn't fill the gap.
What's up?
We were like a few points away from filling it. Yeah,
Do you hear me?
it was like a point away
Huh?
from actual. Yeah, look, volume balance right here, 891. Shit, yesterday's low would be crazy.
Wait and see what else happens. This stays.
That would be 22,809. I don't think we keep dropping another 100 points. That'd be wild.
I'm gonna do a wait and see. I did decent already.
Yeah, I need 500. I need an $800 day past these. I need 494. I need 480. Oh yeah, we're about to rip.
I did 360 on each one.
Betting ass. Just clearly not passing top step anytime soon.
That 360 puts me almost a couple hundred shy where I was before yesterday. But bad day yesterday, and all these accounts are still in the green, so
Proper risk management.
that's all right. My fibs are still going off the high of the day from 745. So yeah, I still got uptrend fibs on here.
Let's get a quick 50 points, bro. Come on. We just get little quickie 50 points. All right, let's go down. Shoot this low. Grab this low.
Well, what a day.
What a great
Damn,
50,
Damn.
78.
damn. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh, why did I do that?
Little bounce here on ES.
Damn, man. Could have caught more of the move.
I mean,
Damn.
the move I'm in right now, boy. Come on, longs. Push.
Should have took the other trades too. Fuck, man.
No, you're good.
Yeah, but it's not. It ain't. I'm gonna just show y'all what it was, and that's it, man. I'm trying to scale up. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to
That'd be the hardest part to do sometimes.
scale up, but basically, here was the day. Just I made 1,000, but it's just not a fuck.
Took a little longer.
Short here to target, short, little bit of heat to target, and then low of the day. Because I'm not trying to play with these 900s. I'm good on that.
Okay.
And that was it. $1,000. But so sorry. This is that's probably kind of selfish of me to even complain. But
Nah, it ain't selfish. It was your plan.
it was my plan. I wanted to. I had signals up here. Short. I just. This was the first one. This first guy. So short there, monster. That would have been. That's 2,300. No, let's flip it. Here, shortcut toolbar. Boom. Entry there at the close of the bar. 22.95. That should have been the day, but that's fine. We gonna take this little $1,000 in the live account and call it a day.
Green is green, my boy.
Green is green.
I'm still this long. Try to get it back to London low.
And daily profit reached. So you can't trade anymore.
If I can
We
get
have
back
out
to
there.
London low, good. On the day, I'll pass. $22,978. What you think?
What happened?
22,978.
22.978 for a target for a long.
Yeah.
Where you in from?
That's London lows. I'm in at 928.
You in at 928.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me see something.
I'm not letting this go red though.
Yeah, I personally,
Yeah,
I'm a scalper, so I
I'm
can hold
already
you.
up 450 on the day.
No, I know. I know you're up good. Depends on the account, depends on the account type, all that type of stuff.
I'm in half a contract.
Oh yeah, you chilling.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Are you cool if it goes back to your stop?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So let it ride. Go to your spot. You know what you're doing.
I mean, I don't want it to go back to my stop.
I just felt like Al Brooks say that's a Walmart trade. You got you gotta put in your position, put in your stops, and ride to Walmart and let it play out.
Yep.
Nah, this
Me
should be
personally, my mentality is
move.
if I'm up 600, 700, 800, market's not going to get my stop. Fuck that. 800, give me that, man.
Yeah. At 800,
People
I'm
make-
taking
people
a
make
50% stop.
Exactly.
People work 40 hours for that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I just made what?
40
just made
minutes.
$1,000. What was it? My first entry was 958. My last exit was 1006.
Oh yeah, I
Less
caught
than
all
20
that short.
minutes.
I
Give me
caught
that,
all that
man.
short. All that short up
Yeah.
up 1,600.
Mhm.
Yeah, if I was trading the fundeds, I'd have made $1,000 too.
Oh yeah, facts.
370 on 3 accounts.
Let's get a break here. Come on.
Yep.
Let's get this break. There
And
we
so
go.
for every
Come
one
on,
mini
come
I
on.
take in my live
Push,
account,
push,
I'm
push,
taking
push,
2
push, push,
micros and
push.
I'm taking 2 micros in other accounts. So
Let's go. Push.
How big is the how big is the live account? What size account is that?
He said, hey,
I got 50 in there.
50K.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. You don't see him exercising in the sky tops of
So you
rooftop
trading
gyms in Boston?
You trading minis on a 50K?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. You don't see him exercising in the sky tops of rooftop gyms in Boston?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. You don't see him exercising in the sky tops of rooftop gyms in Boston?
Mm-hmm.
He's got super
No, but
tight
like a
stops.
lot, like an actual live account.
Yeah, but it's still the size of your account.
Nah,
Yeah, but
this
he's
is
got
not
a
a
full 50K though.
not a prop. This not a prop account.
Yeah, it's a full 50K.
Like $50,000, like actual cash.
Right.
Yeah, but I'm gonna probably withdraw some, and then yeah. So like a prop 50K account, there's a drawdown is 2K.
Yeah, 50K. That shit's okay.
My drawdown is like 50K.
Right.
But yeah, I'm 1 mini max.
But what do you do for your risk? 1% per trade, 500.
1%. 500 is my stop. Or if I need to get a little frisky, I can move back and take a
Maybe
$1,000
stretch
stop.
it.
But
Maybe
that's it.
stretch it to 2%, right?
Exactly. That's it. That is it. Can't. Nope. Not doing nothing more than
That
that.
was a mistake I made early with these props, trying to calculate like, all right, I'm gonna have 1% risk, like all the professionals
Yeah.
say, right? But it's not like I think you were the one that explained it to me. Like it's not 1%. 500 is 25% on the prop account. Like,
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
yeah. You know, because
Exactly.
that's how when I first started doing it, I was, trying to stick to that 1% rule. Like
Mm-hmm.
the pros say never risk more than 1% on a trade. So I had
Yep.
that number in my head, like, all right, 500. But then I think you were the one that explained it to me. $500 is 25% risk
Yeah.
on the prop account with the
Mm-hmm.
drawdown.
And that's why with these prop accounts, I always encourage people to get the larger ones just because of the drawdown. Because like all you needed, because I know people will talk about like the intraday trailing drawdown and all that stuff. That shit only matters once that shit does not matter once you're outside the buffer.
Nope.
It becomes a static account.
Right.
So that's why for me, people are like, oh, I don't like the drawdown. Yeah, because you're still in the buffer. Like, get out of the buffer. Trade small, get out of the buffer. Once you're out of the buffer, then now you have a static account. Now there's no trail and drawdown. If you have a 150K PA with Apex and your account balance is at 150, hold on, what's my balance?
Yeah, you can trade a lot heavier.
If you're at 158,960, right? If you're at 158,960, you have almost 9K of drawdown.
Right.
And now it's not trailing. So that's why when I always hear people say, oh, I don't like trailing accounts. I don't like trailing.
No, I don't pay attention. I don't
It's
pay
like,
attention
bro,
to that.
I don't. Yeah, because when I
There's
hear
no
that type of
reason
shit,
that I should draw my account down that much.
yeah,
Period.
and when I hear people talk about that, it's like, all right, you're trading, you're over leveraged. That's my thought. You're supremely over leveraged
But
on your accounts.
I feel like, especially with the evals, the props design it that way to encourage people to over leverage and blow accounts. Right?
Exactly.
That's what 1 and 2 day to pass evals are all about. Like they make
It's a play on the human psychology.
Yeah, they subconsciously make people think that means they have to pass in 1 or 2 days, so they're
Order
heavily over
filled.
leveraged and they blow them a lot quicker. That's a moneymaker for the prop firm.
Yep. And the funny thing is people always hear the 1 day to pass, 1 day. Yeah, it's minimum. That's fine.
Right.
It's not mandatory. So
Right. So
but
they
hey, at the
they
end of the day,
subconsciously think, oh,
people
I
gonna
have
do
to
what they
go
gonna
in
do.
heavy. Yeah.
People gonna do what they gonna do. So it's
Subconscious is a
whatever.
subconscious paid by the props.
Exactly. People gonna
I think my
people
pass and
gonna
take
do what
profit
they gonna
evals, I
do.
think I took like 6 or 7 days on my take profits.
Yeah. I mean, for me, when I was doing the TPTs, because I was copying and doing certain things. It took me like
Stop filled.
15 days. Oh wow, dumpy. Yeah,
Oh,
it took
Oh,
me
I'm
like,
glad I got out of that with a
yeah,
little
me
2
too.
points.
I had taken profit about 30 seconds ago.
Yeah, I just took like
yeah.
little 2 points because it was pushing towards
Mhm.
my highs over
Oh,
here.
that was nasty.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Talk about a
Fire,
nasty pullback. Thanks.
nasty.
I
There's
still got
also a
the one.
50-minute
I
spike.
still got 100% of my fibs up here at the high. Like
That was
Say it again.
horrible.
No fibs.
my fibs are still on the MES. Is still up at the day's high 100%. So
Wait, so
like that.
you
So
talking about
that
the fib tool?
yeah. So the last move down went down to 38.2, and then that up move started.
Yeah, we got some crazy divergence right now. Yep. So yeah, your fib's not going to change. So with the fib, I don't know if you heard me say this, but the fibs, they rotate once the market makes a new low or a new high.
No, yeah, I saw that. I've been
Yeah.
observing that.
Yep. And basically these levels, they're all really the same. Um like the in terms of like the 38.2 and the 61.8, they're just inverse, especially. But yeah, DACI new lows, ES only came down to about 62.97. I watched I watched the ES also. Oh my god. I'm watching the ES chart. They did not uh yeah, they did not make a new low as well.
Yeah, they didn't flip today.
We got natural gas news coming out. Actually, I deleted my natural gas chart because I don't even look at it. Oil did a crazy pop and then they dumped. ES is cooling. DACI, we saw what they just did. The Dow is actually making new highs. The Russell is coming off their highs, and then gold is chilling. Bitcoin made a new all-time high last night. They got to like
Right.
112 and change.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
they need to hang above
let's see.
that 112 for a breakout.
Yeah.
112 is a resistance level for a breakout on the Bitcoin.
Yeah. I don't know these bands here.
But I think it needs to hang above 112 on a daily candle.
Yeah.
The daily candle needs to close above 112, and I think we look for a breakout. I'm waiting for this 5K in US dollar coin to hit my freaking Coinbase account. I put it in there a week ago.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Put that there. Okay. What's going on now? I put. Oh, I didn't even trade my pro account. Oh shit. Oh wait. It's fine. Trade these other pros. Or wait. All right. Okay. On VPNs. All right, shutting these down. We up out of there. Mm, okay. Looks like we might try to remove the new low, but I don't know. See. We'll see what they talking about. Uh, wait.
I for the futures are all best.
Muchas gracias por esperar. Ok, so la autorización para
Oh.
su otra sonido todavía no está en el sistema. Yo sí veo que nosotros sí llamamos a la oficina del doctor.
That's one.
Oh, that thing just picked up some momentum.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're about to head back. Those maybe. Some potentially. We gonna see though. Yeah, but that 900 was strong. That was a nice like 70-point bounce off the 900s. Also, we've only moved 188 points today. Um, and I know ES has only moved 24 points, tight range over there. Dow moved 298. They're kind of coming off their highs. They're coming off previous day's high. They swept that and now they're dumping. And then the Russell, same thing. 15 points over there. Gold is chilling. And I have an account short. Oh, no. All right. These ones didn't trigger yet. That's fine.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Okay. Mm. Right. All right, let's look at it now. Yeah, that 900 level. We gonna see what they do there. We gonna see.
No, we not because I'm going back to bed.
Damn.
Y'all can watch that shit. I ain't watching that shit.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Right there.
Crazy wick.
Hmm.
Yes, hi. Good morning. My name is Claire and I'm calling from the Memorial Hospital Free Services Department. I was calling to see if I could speak with someone regarding authorization for a patient. It is, date of birth is, January 10th, 1954. Name is Anna Weisenmayer. Humana Medicare, I'm sorry. Yes.
There you go. Let it go.
Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Order filled.
Find out, you know.
All right, y'all. I'm out. I shall holler at y'all for the fortnight later. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've still got some accounts to trade, but yeah, it's basically over. I might just go get like 100 or two and call it a day. So that's it. Sir. Nope. That's good. Keep the risk intact, risk in check, chilling. Sir. Oh,
Yeah.
want to hit the gym? Yes, sir. Okay, word. Okay, word. Hit me up. Let's get it. All right, bro. All right, peace.